everyone, welcome to Not My Garage Auto Detail. We are at a secret location working on some stuff. What we're doing today is we're going to do a do-it-yourself ceramic coating. I've got the customer here, the same customer that we got to detail his own car, that red R8. If you don't remember, it's up in the card, my left, your right. Click it up there. But we're going to show him how to ceramic coat. But I'm also going to show you guys how to ceramic coat. So let me show you what we're working on. Okay, 2014 Audi R8. It's got the titanium straight pipe exhaust. It's got the K-in intakes. This thing rips. What we've already done is we've already cut, we've polished, we've alcohol wiped it down. This thing's ready to ceramic coat. So we're starting in the middle of things. We're gonna get him to start ceramic coating. So, stay with us. Here's what we're using today, C-Quartz 3.0. This is the ceramic coat by CarPro. Let me show you what's in the box. C-Quartz 3.0. Okay. Here's your applicator block. Okay, with some foam on one side. Here are your microfiber. These are your applicator towels. And you're going to put the foam side down. Okay. Couple of strips, and we'll go in a little bit more detail later on, but these are the parts we're looking at. This is your microfiber towel for leveling off. We're going to use some different microfiber towels because, you know, we don't want to use Matt's only leveling towel. So instructions come with it, but we're typical guys, so out go the instructions. Now, turn this over to Conrad. All right. So we've got Conrad, he's gloved up, he's got his tools. Let's get started with the application. All right, so you've got your foam block, you've got your microfiber applicator wrapped around that block.
Yep.
You're gonna start with 1 to 2 lines on the applicator. Let's just start with 1 to begin with here. Perfect. You're going to find that inconspicuous spot. For us, it's going to be this spot right here. And in a crosshatch pattern, start to apply. Sorry if it's loud, folks. This undisclosed location was, you know, too warm, so the air conditioner's on. I don't know. It's just loud, folks. Okay, so he's applying in an up and down, left and right crosshatch pattern. Very gingerly. Now, the instructions say, let it flash 1 to 2 minutes, and we're gonna bring you in. Can you guys see? It looks wet, right? So the product is still on. This product, or where we are currently, has a lot of air moving right now. So this stuff is supposed to flash between 1 and 2 minutes. It's gonna probably end up flashing a little bit quicker than that because of our air movement. So you can see it looks wet. As it starts to flash, you'll see a rainbow effect. You'll see a face. So keep watching, keep watching. All right, so my naked eye can see the rainbowing. I don't know if we can see it in the camera. All right. Let's see the line where he's applied it. So now Conrad's gonna come with his microfiber towel. Microfiber towel. There we go. And he's going to level the product off. Oh yeah. Buddy. She's glossy. Yeah. Feel how smooth it is? Put your nose on that. Feel how smooth it is. It's smooth. That's one way of doing it. It'll work. It's smooth. All right. Now. Maybe, yep, right there. Maybe that's actually in the paint, maybe? Can't tell. But look at the flake. Seems like the flake is all the different colors. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, it's literally as easy as that, folks. Conrad's gonna get busy. He's going to coat his own car. We're both gonna be happy. All right, we'll set up a little time lapse of him working on it. I might tag team in, give him a little hand. You know, once his dainty wrists get tired, I can help him out. But we're gonna coat this, and then we're gonna see some results in I don't know, sometime in this video. All right, guys, I am interrupting your time lapse since Conrad needed some help, right? He wanted some help coating. And we only had one block. He's like, man, there's got to be something. So I went and I found Meguiar's microfiber pad. That's what it used to be. I cut it in the shape of a block. We are going to wrap it. We're going to put our single line of coating on there, and we're going to help him out. It's like, hey, I don't want to do this by myself. And I'm like, hey, this is your car. It didn't go like that, but for you guys, you can imagine how it went. He was like, okay, I'll go find something. All right, so sometimes you got to improvise. We're going to see how it works out. Okay.
Good question. How's the R7?
Hey guys, one thing I forgot to mention, while you're applying the ceramic coating, after you have applied your initial line or two on the applicator pad, once you go through and you do a couple of panels, you do a couple of sections, however you have the car broken up, every once in a while you're going to want to put another line, you're going to want to put another 3 dots or something, just recharge that applicator pad. That's very important. Don't forget, you still need to apply it.
Woo! All right, guys, we've got just that half of the hood left. We put a second coat on this thing. We're gonna show you some results in just a second, but I wanted to talk to Conrad about this. I can tell he's kind of getting the hang of this thing, right? We're on coat number 2. We split up the car a little bit, so, right, like he's got some really good experience about laying it on at this point. So, you can see, right, he's a little bit quicker, a little bit more efficient. It's all in the feel. You guys will get it. Do this coating a couple of times. Do some ceramic coating. You guys will get it. It's not that hard. It's not rocket science. I'm not a rocket scientist. Some people think I might be. But, again, he's working the crosshatch pattern. Very smooth. Right? All right. So he's leveled off that half of the hood. It was the second coating, he's leveled it off. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna do our final wipe down. We're each gonna grab a clean, brand new microfiber. And that way, if there's any high spots left over, we're gonna hit them, we're gonna take them down. And then I will walk you around for the final result. All right, stay tuned. Ooh, final wipe down, she's done. Yeah, that gloss, that shine. She's got 2 coats of the Sea Quartz 3.0. Yeah, buddy, this thing looks wet. Paint dripping. All right, buddy, what do you think? Completed your first ceramic coating. Would you do it again?
I absolutely would do it again. I mean, the results are amazing. Car looks fantastic, better than I could have expected. It was not difficult to do, so if you're comfortable with doing any kind of paint work, I wouldn't hesitate for a second to do the ceramic coat. I was nervous at first, but once you get started, it's actually a piece of cake, and you can see the results. It's like the car's brand new. Better than new.
Better than new, exactly. All right, guys, that's it for us today. We're about to get out of this undisclosed location, grab some dinner and relax, enjoy the rest of our time together. So, like always, take care of yourselves and each other. Peanut butter top to match guts. Comment down below if you recognize that song.